Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Why am I not? Yes, I can see Fateh. What about the others? Good morning, everyone. Please turn on your cameras. Yes. How was your club yesterday?
Good. Good.
Barira? Barira. Ihan, turn
Hi.
on your camera. Okay. Barira, which club do you want to join?
Um,
Hmm. We have talent
Normal.
club and we have literature club.
She's a talent club.
Haya, that she has to decide.
Ma'am, she came yesterday.
Marira, are you in talent
Yeah.
club? That I just simply added her. I need her approval.
What's that like? Second choice? The second?
No, you can choose only one club. Which club do you want?
Talent club.
Okay, perfect. Rehan, turn on your camera, please. Why everyone is so gloomy today? The class just started. Come on, wake up.
Yay! I'm only woke up. Hmm.
Okay, Hazel, why so silent? Okay, what
Should we
happened?
play should we play like a game to warm Lizzle up and all the others?
Okay, everyone stand up.
And why is this
Stand up.
Why is this person? Why is this person here
Stand up.
and not on in your camera? On your camera.
Stand up. Stand up. You can remove your background. Remove your background. Come on. Let me wake up everyone. Haya, stand up. When I say lake, you have to jump front. Lake, jump front. When I say lava, jump back. Okay? Ready? Ihan, I'm not
First of all,
seeing
I
you.
don't have space.
You don't have space.
Wait,
You
I'm
have
getting crammed.
little
I
space.
need space.
Milan, stand up, Milan. Come on, we are playing a game. Wake up, wake up. Okay. When I say lake, jump front. When I say lava, jump back. Okay? Ready? Fateh,
Yeah.
you can just stand on the side. Come on, let's play. Make a little jump. Don't make big jumps.
Ma'am, I literally my electronics are everywhere. The cable wires. What
Just
if I
turn your
step
camera
near the
like
phone?
this and stand on the side.
Yeah,
Something
that
like
is
this.
what I'm doing.
Ready? Lake,
Yeah.
lake, lava. Ah, many people are doing it wrong. Amila, turn on your camera. Lake means
Wait.
front. Lava means back. Okay?
I did only. I did.
I know, I know. If I say lake
So
twice means you don't have to jump twice, okay? I said lake once. Okay, again I said lake means you have to stand as a statue. Ready? Lake. Milan, you're not doing. Lava.
oh, sorry.
Okay,
Jump
Amila,
back.
come on. Lava. Lake. Lava. 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 Ah, Milan got it wrong.
Huh?
You're
Oh,
burning. You're
dang
burning
it.
in lava right now.
Emotional. Damn it.
Again, lake. Lava.
Milan, are you okay?
Lava. When I say lava,
Oh
lake.
yeah.
Lake.
Wait.
Lava.
I jumped in front. Oh, I jumped in front.
Amila, lake means front, okay? Lava means back. Lake, front, lava, back. Okay? Okay.
Come
Lake,
on. Jump in.
lava.
Jump back.
Lake. Very good. Lava. Lava. Lava.
Ah.
Ah, Milan, you're burning. Sorry, not Milan. Sorry, Milan. Laser, you're
Laser,
burning.
I saw him up. I saw him up. I saw
Laser's
Laser
burning.
up. I saw him like doing like this. Yeah, I saw. I laser did that. Laser got like a little jump, like a frog. Yes, I saw. No, 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 no.
Laser
Laser.
burned once. Laser, don't burn again, okay? All the others, cut jobs. Jawan, please turn on your camera. We are playing a game.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jawan. Please turn on your camera. We are playing a game. When I say lake, you have to jump front. When I say lava, jump back. Okay? Now I'm going to go faster. Starting I'll go slower, then I'll go faster. Lava. Lava is back.
I'm already in a lava. I
Lake.
jumped back.
Lake.
Jump front.
Lava.
Jump front.
Lake.
Lava.
Lava. Lava. Lava. Ah, Ihan. I think you're burning right now. Are you burning? Lake.
Jump front.
Lava. 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 Barira, you burned. You got burned.
Maria.
Ishan, we're playing a game in which if I say lake,
Maria, are you okay or not?
if I say
Maria.
lava, you have to jump back. Lake, lava. Lake, lava.
No.
Okay, Barira, come on. I saved you. You can come back up.
Maria, come on.
Okay, last round.
Are you okay?
Last
Are you
round,
okay?
okay? Ishan, you are not playing, Ishan?
Where is Isha? Oh,
Last round, ready?
Isha.
We are going faster. We are going to go faster, okay? Lava.
Okay.
Lava is back. Lava is back. Lake.
Jump back.
Lava. Lava. Lake. You have to do faster. Lava. Lake. Lava. Lava. Lava.
Barira.
Barira.
I did not even touch it. I just went like this. This. I just literally went like this.
Lake. Lake. Lava. Lake. Lava. Lake. Lava. Lava. Lake. Lava. Lake. Lava. Lake. Oh my god, everyone is burning.
I did not burn, ma'am. I was going.
Good job. You did very well. Okay, come sit down.
I am the winner. I am the winner. Dude, no. Not the winner. What do you mean I won? No, you burned 2 times. I didn't even burn 2 times. How? Only 1 time. I didn't even burn 1 time.
Hi, Ishan. Good morning.
But ma'am said me so. But ma'am said me so. I'm a live sub. It's not you though. Seems like someone is a sleepyhead.
I think Ishan, someone is compelling Ishan to attend class. Go attend the class today. Look at his face. What happened, Ishan? His mama compelled you to attend class.
Ishan is always late. Yeah, I guess.
Ishan, you are late. But still, we'll be late tomorrow. Please be on time, okay? We have a time schedule in the calendar. Okay, once again, Joan, you are in literature club, right? Who doesn't have a club here? Amila, do you have a club?
I don't know. Who lives in UAE? Who lives in UAE?
You have talent club and literature club.
Yeah. Amina is in talent club, ma'am. Amina is in talent club. PY language club.
Yes, Laser?
I am today.
Give me your club name. Open the chat box.
And mine's Amila's and Barira.
I am giving you.
Ma'am, me, Barira and Amila are in talent club.
Come on. Give me your club name that you want to join. Hurry up. I'll give you 1 minute. Come on, quickly. Let's go.
I'm joining talent club.
Laser talent.
I'm joining talent club.
Okay, good. Laser's a talent. Give me your club name. Give me your club name, people. Come on.
There's no teacher in the club.
Laser, I'll change you if you want to.
Barira, type come to this class and type in the chat box which one you want.
If you want to select Ishan, you have to do this. You have to listen to the teacher. You cannot sit.
We can change our club every day.
No. This is fixed and final. This is your last choice. Come on.
Amina, just say if you want talent club in this chat box. Same, I will take language club. Huh?
Are you sure?
Ma'am, I'm taking just talent club. We also have only language club.
Okay, type it there. Type it there. The club you want. As I've
But we
told you,
have to know how is it
Hazel
like.
gave, Haya gave, Fateh gave. I approve it. Okay. Okay. Ihan gave. Milan gave.
Barira, if you want
Come on,
talent
hurry
club,
up, Barira. You have to give me a club
ma'am,
name.
can I typing in talent club? Wait. Amila also, if you want talent
Class
club.
people, come on.
Yesterday, Amila and Barira came to talent club.
Ishan, where's your club, Ishan?
Because my mom gave access.
Ishan, where's your club? Lazel got it. You can give only once, Lazel. You don't have to type again. I got it, okay? Okay. Yes, Ishan, please give me a club name. Ishan, only you are remaining. See, Shani ma'am is
Amila
very
type
much
it.
excited to take us.
Amila didn't type it.
There's no drawing club, Jawan. We have only two clubs. Literature and talent club. Choose one. Come on, Jawan.
Language.
Quickly, Jawan.
Ma'am, can you wait?
Where is
Amila,
Ishan?
your talent club.
Huh? I'll give a suggestion next time. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Okay.
Amila didn't type her club. Amila didn't.
Amila is
Ma'am, I chose talent.
good job. Got it. Bye-bye, people. Thank you so much. Ta-da.
Ma'am, I will take talent.
Got it. Okay.
I'll take talent club. I don't want.
Okay,